This tutorial will guide you through on how to clear and disable YouTube search history completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1. Type in and open up youtube.com. And once YouTube has been opened up and loaded, you want to go to the top left hand screen and click History underneath the U tab. Once the watch history has been opened up and loaded, you want to go to the top right hand screen. You have a couple different options to clear all watch history, to pause watch history, or to manage all history. In this case, it's asking you, are you sure you want to clear your watch history? And if you click pause watch history, it will ask you as well, are you sure you want to pause watch history? If you click pause on the bottom right hand screen, and if you go back to the top left hand screen and click the home page of youtube.com, you can see we still have history popping up on the home page. If you click clear all watch history, as you can see, we have cleared all of our watch history, and we've also turned off or disabled the YouTube watch history. Go to the YouTube homepage on the top left hand screen. As you can see, you have successfully turned off and disabled YouTube watch time history.